Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is going to be launching next month and we are seeing more and more leaks regarding that particular device. Last day we have seen some of the official teaser videos for all the three models of the Galaxy S21 series, which gives us pretty much good details what to expect in terms of design, specifications and color options which are going to be available. But now today's leak is kind of a different from all those leaks which we have seen previously, and that is going to be for the Galaxy S21 fingerprint sensor. The tipster Ice Universe has given us this information, and according to that information, the Galaxy S21 is going to be coming with a new under-display fingerprint scanner that is going to be even faster and bigger than last year Galaxy S20 devices. The sensor under the OLED panel of the Galaxy S21 series has a 8mm size, making it a 64 square millimeter bigger, and for comparison the previous two flagships had 4x9mm sensor which is 36 square meter, and this means that a mighty 77% increase in the Galaxy S21 series. And also that means that we are going to see a much improved in terms of performance of the under display sensor. And as the leaks claim that it will need just a quick tap instead of an actual long press to unlock the device. Previously, we know that Samsung under-display fingerprint scanners had some issue when they were introduced, and it was only working with the select screen protector. It was allowed non-registered fingers to unlock the device, and the situation was so bad at that time. Samsung had fixed those issues in the Galaxy S20 and Note 20 devices, but we are hopeful that this situation won't repeat and we will have a bigger and faster sensor this time around. So honestly, I think that this is going to be a massive improvement for everyday usability of the device, and it will also increase the performance of the device in terms of unlocking the device. Obviously, I am a big fan of the under-display camera sensors, and I am hoping Samsung might do better in this time around. With that being said, there is another news regarding the Galaxy S21 Ultra S Pen support, and we know that already in the leaks that Samsung Galaxy S Pen support is not going to be available inside the device. Rather than that, a separate case is going to be needed in order to put the S Pen in that. A new leak that has been surfaced from the Throne, who is also a cozy clan, gives us a detail that the next generation of S Pen is not going to be available with the Bluetooth support inside, which means that all those air action or gesture are not going to be available for the S21 Ultra. This is obviously on the cards because we already know when you have an S Pen which is not available inside the device, will not have these functionality. So guys, the last information for today is obviously going to be the Galaxy S21 certification that has been arrived in the US. The base model of Galaxy S21, which has codenamed SMG991U, has appeared in the FCC listing. It gives us a detail that it is going to be supported by 25 watt of wide charging. Along with that, it will also support a 9 watt of reverse wireless charging, which means that it has double the rate of reverse wireless charge from the Galaxy S20. Along with that, the FCC also included some information about the charger, and it has a model number EPTA800 adapter and was approved by US regulatory. However, we don't know whether it will actually ship in retail box for the US market or not. As previously, Apple has already doing it, and many leaks are reporting on that by the looks of it, Samsung is really to follow similar footsteps just like Apple. So guys, these are some information that has been surfaced online for the Galaxy S21 series. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the under display tech that is going to be improved inside the device? Also, do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.